Lucy, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. How are
Feeling
you?
good, good.
Yeah.
You feeling a lot better?
Yes, I'm feeling a lot
That's
better.
fantastic. You're waving that pea around now,
Yeah.
and that smile's great too.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
been-
Oh my god.
It's been great, hasn't it?
Yeah, really good experience.
So
Really
you
good.
booked in for the Super Vort.
Yes, yeah.
For the
I
other
did.
students looking at it.
Yes.
You had a few lessons somewhere else, you were saying.
Yeah, I had a few lessons, I
Mhm.
did some tests, and
What was going on? Share it with the other students.
I think a lot of it was just nerves and stuff. I was not getting the right education, and I
Oh.
learned so many new things from being with you. So
Right.
yeah, it definitely was a lot helpful for doing the test straight after
Well,
learning it as well.
Yeah.
It was really good. Really recommend.
Excellent, excellent. Well, that's good feedback for the other students to hear that you're paying for lessons elsewhere and they weren't really giving you the full information like you
Yeah.
learnt here.
Yeah, it was definitely worth the money.
Mhm.
I reckon. Yeah.
Geez, you knocked in that parallel park beautifully too, didn't you? That was great when we were doing the
Oh my
warm-up.
god. Yeah.
It was
It was
fantastic.
really good in the test. Yeah. Really happy with it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, all the best, Lucy, and thanks very much for choosing us to help you.
Yeah.
And another passing student at Prepare to Pass, eh?
Yes.
It's been great.
Yes.
Thanks, Lucy.
Thank you.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.